Welcome to 3Motional channel. We are thrilled to have you here, embarking on this creative journey with us. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a new visitor, we extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you. At 3Motional, we are dedicated to unleashing the power of creativity in motion design, color grading, and more. Our goal is to provide you with engaging and valuable content that will inspire, educate, and entertain. We believe in fostering a vibrant and supportive community, so please don't hesitate to leave comments, share your thoughts, and connect with fellow viewers. Your feedback and participation are highly valued, and we can't wait to engage in lively discussions with you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss an exciting upload. We have an exciting lineup of regular videos that will keep you coming back for more. Thank you for choosing to be a part of our YouTube family. We appreciate your support and look forward to embarking on this incredible journey together. So let's dive in and enjoy the amazing content that awaits. Welcome to 3Motional channel. In today's video, we have a step-by-step guide on how to import ATN files into Photoshop. So let's get started. Step 1. Download the ATN files. Find and download the ATN files containing Photoshop actions that you want to import. Step 2. Locate the Actions folder. Open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. In the top menu, navigate to Window and select Actions to open the Actions panel. Step 3. Navigate and import the ATN files. In the Actions panel, click on the small menu icon, vertical ellipsis, in the top right corner and choose Load Actions. In the file browser window that appears, locate and select the downloaded ATN files. Click Load to import the selected ATN files into Photoshop. Step 4. Access and apply the imported actions. Once the ATN files are imported, you will see the corresponding action sets in the Actions panel. Expand the action set by clicking on the small arrow icon next to its name. Inside the action set, you will find individual actions listed. To apply an action, ensure you have an image open in Photoshop. Select the desired action from the Actions panel by clicking on its name. Click on the Play button at the bottom of the Actions panel to apply the selected action to your image. That's it. You have successfully imported and can now use the ATN files, Photoshop actions, in Photoshop. We hope you find this tutorial helpful and enjoyable. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to ask. Enjoy the rest of the video and the incredible content on 3Motional channel.